Hey, what is going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys 25 awesome things that Siri can do that you probably didn't know about. Now before I even get into the video, I just want to ask you guys for a favor. I'm trying to get my Instagram account going off, but I have 500 followers right now. I'm trying to reach 1,000 before the end of the year, so go ahead and follow me. That will help out a lot. The Instagram link will be right down below in the description of the video. So without further ado, let's get started. Here are 25 things that Siri can do that you might not know about. So you want to install an app from the App Store, you can use Siri to do that. You don't have to open the App Store, go to the search bar, type the name of the app and search for it. You can just ask Siri. Install Netflix. And there it goes. It will show you the App Store and of course Netflix right there, and then you can just go ahead and tap one button to install it on your device. You want to play radio, you can do that quickly with Siri. Play Beats One Radio. And just like that, it will show you the player right here starting right away playing the radio. So let's just turn up the volume a bit. So there is the radio. It has started playing in a few seconds. So you're at a restaurant, you want to know how much to tip, then Siri can do that for you. How much should I tip for $50? And here it will show you different percentages of tip that you will have to leave, and then of course it will show you also the amount of tip and then also the total how much your bill will be. Now if you're on an app on your iPhone, you can go to its preferences simply by saying open preferences. And you can see it will open the settings of that app. You can also do this if you're outside the app. Just say the name of the app. Open Safari preferences. And there it goes, it will open the settings of that app. You can also open different sections of the settings app. So let's say open voice control settings. And as you can see right there, it will go straight into the voice control settings, which can be found under the accessibility section. So any section of the settings app can be opened from Siri. So you want to translate something quickly, you can do that of course using Google Translate or any other service, or you can have Siri do that for you. How do you say hello in Spanish? As you can see right there, it will show you how you have to type it, and also you can play it and you can listen how to say that word. You can also use Siri to turn on the flashlight. So if you're on a dark environment, you can just ask Siri to do that for you. You don't have to reach for your phone and look for the buttons and all that stuff. So just launch Siri. Of course you can use Hey Siri to do that easier. Turn on the flashlight. And as you can see right now, it will turn on the flashlight. When you're done, turn off the flashlight. And you can see right there, it will also turn it off for you. You can also use Siri to search your photos. So you can search for specific photos of a specific thing or a specific date. So let's say, show me photos of January 2019. And as you can see right there, it will open this Photos app and will show me the photos only of January 2019. As easy as that, you can have Siri search your photo album for specific photos you want. You can also do the same with the Notes app, so show me notes of yesterday. And as you can see, just like that, it will show you the notes, so you can search a note by a term or a date, anything you want. You can also use Siri to quickly take a note. Take a note.
What do you want it to say?
This is a test for Siri features.
Okay, I created a note.
And as you can see, just like that, you can quickly take any note you want using Siri without even having to open the Notes app. You can also use Siri to quickly take photos, videos, selfies, anything you want. So open a specific section of the camera app very quickly. So take a video. As you can see right there, it will open to the video. So let's try one more. Take a selfie. And as you can see right there, it will open directly to the front cam. That's really awesome and very useful. It will open on any section of the camera app that you want. So if you want to know how many days are left until a date or a holiday or anything you want, you can do that using Siri. How many days until Christmas?
It's 11 days until then.
As you can see right there, it will tell you the exact days until that date that you want. So sometimes we have a ton of alarms on our device. So you just add alarms and you leave them there, turn them off, leave them there, and you will see a bunch of them right here. Now you can quickly delete them using Siri. Just launch Siri, delete all alarms.
Are you sure you want to delete all your alarms?
Click confirm and you're good to go. As you can see, all the alarms have been deleted. You can of course also create an alarm. Just tell Siri to wake you up, so wake me up at 8 a.m.
I've set an alarm for 8
Just tell Siri to wake you up and it will set an alarm for you. You can also set any timers you want, so set a timer for 5 minutes.
Okay, 5
Just like that, it will start a timer right away from here. Of course, if you tap it, it will take you to the timer on the clock app. With the newer iOS versions, Apple has removed the ability to completely turn off the Bluetooth from the control center, as well as the Wi-Fi network. They will be just disabled, but they are still on. So now you can use Siri to do that. So turn on Bluetooth.
Okay, I turned on Bluetooth.
You can turn on the Bluetooth using Siri, and of course you can turn it off. So turn off Bluetooth. And just like that, it will completely turn off Bluetooth, not just disable it. You can also use Siri to turn on or off the new dark mode of iOS 13, so turn on dark mode.
Okay, I turned on dark mode.
And just like that, it will turn on the dark mode on your device. Of course, you can turn it off. Turn off dark mode.
Okay, I turned on.
And now it's off. You can also use Siri to change the brightness of your device. You can turn up the brightness all the way up, all the way down, or just turn it up a bit or turn it down a bit. So let's just launch Siri. Turn down the brightness.
Okay, I made the screen darker.
Turn up the brightness.
Here you go.
Turn up the brightness. As you can see, it will make it a bit brighter, or you can go just turn the brightness all the way up. And that's it. You can see it will turn up the brightness all the way. You can of course use Siri to search the internet quickly, so let's just go ahead and launch it. Search the internet for the Cybertruck. And as you can see right there, it will show you all the info, all the results right here. Or you can search for images, so search the web for images of the Cybertruck. As you can see right there, you can search like for anything, any specific thing like images, videos, anything you want of a specific topic, you can ask Siri to do that. If you have a lot of messages on the iMessage app and you just want to read one of them from one of your contacts, then you can ask Siri to do that. Just open Siri, read the last message from test.
Tests and testing Siri features.
And as you can see right there, it will show you the last message, and also it will ask you if you want to reply or not. You can also open emails from a specific contact, so show me emails from Pinterest.
There are at least 25 emails.
And here are all the emails from that contact, so just showing all the emails from that same contact. So that's really useful, especially if you get like a ton of emails. That will be very useful for you. It will be way easier to find the emails from a specific contact. And anything that you're doing on your iPhone, you can ask Siri to remind you of that. So you're basically like browsing the web, a website or something, you can just ask Siri, remind me of this. And as you can see right there, it will add a reminder for that thing. And last but not least is a fun one. So if you're not able to decide for something, you can always flip a coin and Siri can do that for you. Flip a coin.
It's heads.
Just like that, you will get the result easier. Flip a coin, of course, without having a coin, but using Siri. So that's basically it for this video, guys. These are 25 things that Siri can do that you might not know about. These are very useful commands that you will use daily on your iPhone, and of course, take advantage of the cool features the Siri offers. So that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.